Hi, I'm Roz Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams, and from the opening photo, you may be wondering kind of what's going on here. Well, clearly we're at the beginning stages of a renovation ourselves, and I thought, even though I've been involved in a lot of renovations over the years, there's always something new to learn, and I have 3 tips for you in your attempts to remain sane during your renovation. Number 1, begin with the end in mind. And here's what I mean by that. So if you're renovating for the purpose of selling pretty soon, you know you need to take care of a bathroom or a kitchen or something before you're able to put your home on the market and get a good price for it. That's one set of kind of thinking. That's one way of thinking about renovations. The other way is really for your personal enjoyment. And you need to really decide on which one of these things takes the lead in your renovation plans. Why? Because it will impact the amount you should look to spend, the design choices that you make, as well as whether or not you do certain things in the home. If you are looking at something that is just going to be for your personal enjoyment over the foreseeable future, renovate away. Now, of course, you don't want to destroy value in your home. So taking out a bedroom or things like that, you probably want to talk to a real estate broker like me about whether or not those things are likely to add value or take away value from your home. But if you're thinking more immediately about resale, it's super important to get some advice and help kind of think through your ideas with a real estate professional who can help you pinpoint ways to maximize your ROI, saving money in terms of what you're spending, and then maximizing what you'll get on the other side of that. There is a significant labor shortage in the trades right now. So in the construction industries, there is a big labor crunch, which means there are not enough construction people, there are not enough tradesmen or tradespeople to satisfy the amount of renovation and building demand that we have in our country. But also, specifically in Chicago, this is very apparent to anybody who's looking to kind of get into a renovation right now. And that means things are going to take longer because contractors are backed up. They're just back to back. You know, the best contractors are just totally slammed with clients and projects right now. So what that means is you may not get a call back right away when you call for, an estimate. It may take the contractor a while to write up the estimate. This is particularly a good thing to keep in mind if you're in a purchase renovation loan process, because you have to get all those details worked out before you can close on the loan and the home. And you really need your contractor to turn things around for you. So you want to build in time in the process to allow that contractor maybe up to 2 weeks to put together a very detailed estimate for you. But we're not talking about the fly by night, people who don't call you back anyway. I'm talking about the best contractors are likely to be a little bit delayed in getting back to you. Help your contractor out, do your homework. And by that, I mean, pick your tiles, commit to what countertop you'd like to use. Decide which way you want the hardwood floors to be laid or what color you'd like them stained, and go ahead and commit. And here's why that's important. You want to keep your project on track. And when there are always unforeseen things that can come up on a project, like things you didn't anticipate. You open a wall and there's a surprise, okay? There's no way to really account for those things, but the things that you know that you have to make selections for, if you delay those things, contractors in their attempts to line up jobs back to back may not be able to continue on your job. They may have to go to another project where they've promised a client that they were going to start on a certain date. So I'm going to say, the best general contractors are great, like symphony conductors, right? They're managing the trades. They're looking at the calendar. They know what order things have to go in. Please do your homework. Spend a weekend. Go to all the home improvement stores and design houses and make your selection so that you can be totally ready to hand over a list of materials so that there's no concern with having your kitchen go without a sink and countertop for 3 weeks while he's working on another job. Word to the wise. In any event, these are my tips. I probably will have more as we continue on with our renovation. We're excited, but we're also learning some stuff. So if you have questions about renovating your current home, thinking about buying a home for renovation and need some advice on purchase renovation financing, please get in touch. Please email me or call. Again, my name is Roz Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams, and I'll talk with you again soon. Take care.